Hi, this is Christine with a peacock themed journal that I'm going to be listing in my Etsy shop, so I'm going to go through it fairly quickly. It measures 8.5 by 5.5 inches, and I have an elastic closure. I stitched around the front cover and also on the back. So there's a pretty image of a peacock on the front, and then on the back I have a little tag where you can write a date or a title. And also I put these tabs on the sides because that helps to protect the covers when the elastic is tied around the journal. I've got some nice images of peacocks that I had purchased, and I made them into a journal. So let's have a look at the inside. I have a postcard in a pocket here. Very pretty bird. And I've got some tea-dyed papers in there, and I printed these off on my laser printer. The colors are really nice and bright. And here's a little tag, and I've got some of this frilly stuff hanging off the tag, and I've got a little angel wings or dove wings attached on there. There's no stamping on the inside, so this could be customized. But there's lots of room for journaling. It's another pretty image. Got a doily in there. So it's mostly these tea-dyed sheets, and I've got some other sheets of paper in there as well. There's a little windmill. And here's a butterfly, and this is just a little envelope. You can add some embellishments here if you like. Here's a postcard I made. And this is just an envelope that you can tuck something in. A dove. Another envelope. A little clover. I really like the texture of these tea-dyed pages. There's the other side of the doily. A key. Another postcard. So this is a one signature journal, and it's compact, so it's easy to bring around. You can always slip this in your purse if you have a fair size purse. And this little flower, it feels like velour on the top. It's a weird type of fabric, and I just put a button on there. So I will include a link to it in the description of my video. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.